Okay, a little bit of knife skills. I know that I get a lot of questions about tomatoes and cutting tomatoes properly, especially when we get down to smaller ones and stuff. One rule of thumb is that your knife should be sharp enough that it can cut right through a tomato without having to press down on it at all. So you may find that there's actually a part of your knife that's sharper than another part. Sometimes down here towards the heel of our knife, or even right up at the tip, is a little bit sharper just because we don't use that part as much. So until you're able to go and get your knife sharpened, know that those 2 points might be a little bit better for you as far as getting in there and slicing a tomato. Now, I already kind of showed you, but basically the best way with like cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, actual grapes also, is to hold on either side and then kind of use that tip of your knife anyway. And if you want to go to that smaller size, just turn it again, or you can also take it, turn it on its flat side, and just run your knife right through. Good luck!